Hey everyone, I'm Joe, part of the amazing team here at Affordable Comfort. And if you're shopping for a gas furnace, you've probably noticed there are a lot of options these days. We'll break these things down, understand what these terms mean, and help you make a decision that's best for you and your family. The biggest factor is the quality of installation. When choosing the company that's going to install that furnace, make sure you're looking for a company where their attention to detail is very high because precision matters. Furnaces now have so many variable options that making sure it's custom installed for your home is of the utmost importance. Also, make sure the technicians know what they're doing, meaning they're highly trained and skilled and licensed in what they do. Avoid subcontractors, people who come in who maybe don't have the same care and respect for your equipment and your home as the company that is providing you with the equipment. And make sure those technicians are getting trained consistently from the manufacturer so they can deliver you that highest level of experience. Make sure the company is also providing high quality materials because it's not just the furnace, it's everything that's attached to the furnace that also goes into providing you with that perfect heat and comfort in your home. Lastly, make sure that they've done a proper startup and setup, that they're technically trained to make sure that this furnace is custom designed to suit you and your home. It's so important that we get it right. If we can, it means that you can enjoy reliable performance, meaning the furnace is going to work the way it should and keep your home comfortable. It means that you can expect energy savings, keeping your utility bills as low as possible. It also means fewer repairs long term, where we won't run into issues down the road. It also means that we can know that this piece of equipment is going to last for the long term. You can stand behind your equipment because you know it was set up correctly. Thank you for considering Affordable Comfort for your heating needs. We're here to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. Contact us today and let one of our comfort advisors walk you through each of these steps to choose the perfect furnace for your home. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.